Good morning, September 2nd. You know the drill. Pick a number between 1 and 3. We are using my vintage deck today. This is the Friyay weekend forecast. Yay! Here we go. First card I picked, faith. Don't give up. This is not the time to say, oh, well, forget it. I'm not going to do this. Know that you know what you're doing. This is very important. And also, you may see some birds come into your experience this weekend that just fly up and kind of stare at you. That's your spirit guides letting you know they're there watching you. If you pick card number 2, you picked dreams. Oh, I love this card. Isn't this beautiful? Dreams. This is talking about, don't forget all the things that you used to get excited about when you were a little kid. Go back and remember, what was your favorite toy? What were the things you thought you would do in one day in your life? And revisit those things. Maybe there's still a chance. It's never too late. Lastly, if you pick card number 3, we got choice. Oh, sounds like there's time to make a decision, right? There will be signals that will tell you what is the right decision to make. And you don't have to make it over the weekend. Go ahead and wait till next week to do this. Mull it over, enjoy your weekend, discuss it with a couple trusted people, and then make the choice. And that is your 3-card draw of the day. Have a wonderful weekend. Yay!